Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the chat feature on the Connecteam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on the chat button down below, which is the third option. Click on Team Chat, and here you have the chance to type in your message into the message bar down below. Tap on the Enter button, and as you can see, you have sent your message, so your team members will be able to react. As you hold your finger on your own message, you have the chance to react to it by these emojis. You can forward a message, copy it, check out who has already seen the message. You can also attach files by tapping on this file button, so you can send pictures, videos, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.